Now that you've got the right size, you'll want to trim the insoles to fit in the footwear. So let's talk about how to trim Superfeet insoles. All Superfeet full-length insoles are meant to be trimmed to fit well in the footwear. We've developed a simple, easy method to help you remember the process for trimming Superfeet. We call it tap, tap, trace, trim. To trim Superfeet, first remove the factory insole from the shoe. If there isn't a removable insole and you're in the store, you can use the demo box insole in the appropriate size or trace the outsole of the footwear. Turn both the Superfeet insole and the factory insole face down. Put the factory insole on top of the Superfeet. You'll be using the factory insole as a stencil. So let's start with the first tap. Line up the heels of both insoles, hold them together while gently tapping them on a hard surface, like a table or a fit bench. Here's your second tap. While continuing to hold the heels, gently tap the inside edges on a hard surface. Next, we're going to trace. Trace around the sock liner to draw a line on the bottom of the Superfeet insole. And finally, trim. Cut along the line with a pair of sharp scissors. Remember, that's tap, tap, trace, trim. Finally, you'll want to try the insole in the shoe. The Superfeet insole should fit easily into the shoe. There should be a small amount of space, about the thickness of a nickel, between the end of the shoe and the end of the insole. This allows the insole to move slightly with the foot inside of the shoe. If it doesn't fit well, gradually trim a small amount more and try it again.